Mr. Basvaraj Bommai, Chief Minister, Karnataka.
For the last 2 years, Karnataka state has managed the entire home affairs very exceedingly well. The reason behind is the motivated police force and having created a goodwill among the general public and people-friendly actions, prompt action and prompt arresting the culprits, taking care of general law and order, taking precautions. Other than this, we have got a special war on drug, where Karnataka has gone full force against the drug menace, which is there in the entire world country. But we were able to nab the drug suppliers, international, national level, and locals, as well as large cache of drugs we have been able to confiscate and burnt them. To tell you the fact, what the drug was confiscated in last 5 years, it was done in 1 year. And the highest drug confiscation in the country was done by Karnataka. We have been able to use our technological expert in the police force to nab the cyber crime and cheating in the financial institutions, and we were able to break the dark web and stop the international smuggling of drugs, arms, and we have kept a great deal of watch on illegal migrants. Then our coastal line is well guarded, and we have got a lot of sleeper cells, and we have worked very closely with NIA. And there were certain bottlenecks regarding FSL lab, and we were the first state to create officer on the crime scene. Almost 16,000 police force we are recruiting in only 2 to 3 years. We have got maximum number of training schools. We are creating new training schools, and with the help of Government of India, we are able to keep the morale of the police very high. And then women safety is high on our agenda. So we have got Nirbhaya scheme which has been put in place, where more than 7,000 cameras will be there in Bangalore and in other cities also. So with all-round proactive action and proactive taking people into confidence in all the situations, we are able to maintain law and order as well as crime rate. One last thing I just want to tell you, that golden hour, especially in cyber crime, we are able to establish where FIR is not necessary, just a crime number will be there on the mobile, and all the accounts which have been hacked by the culprits are seized, and money is being confiscated and recovered also. Other than this, there is a saying that crime leads a law. But here in Karnataka, we have tried hard enough to see that law catches up with the crime. That's the difference. That's the positive difference we have made in the Home Department affairs. Therefore, we are able to contain a lot of crime and law and order situations. I am grateful to India Today, who are able to recognize all these feats very closely and select us as most improved big state law and order, Karnataka. I am really grateful to India Today. This will help us to do much better, and this will motivate us to achieve the higher goals in the entire law and order and crime, contending the crime. I am once again grateful to India Today.